Hi, are you an aging misfit like me that doesn't conform to any middle-aged demographics that you're aware of? Are you 45 plus? I'm 47, recently turned. My hair is on point. I like to get dressed up and do a whole bunch of nothing and go nowhere. I am here on YouTube. This is my channel, and this is where I go off about lifestyle, it just sounds so pretentious. I go off about not being able to see up close. Am I right? That's just something in the 40s. Just cannot see up close. I'm over it. I'd be making me like Golden Girls. Oh, dating myself. I'd be like Golden Girls and get those chains that go, there's like a cool pair with bats on them. I really am focused on, since this pandemic, I'm really focusing on promoting what I love rather than bashing what I hate. If you're with me on that, stay tuned. I would love it. I would be tickled, pink or black or red or something. I would be tickled if you would like and subscribe. Just subscribe, or just, check on me periodically and make sure I'm okay.